How to easily earn Rs 3000 from Ysense without investing. Let's dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Before we start, watching this video won't make you money. You earn by applying the methods practically or learn a lot from them. What is Ysense? Ysense is an online earning platform with multiple tasks available. Anyone can create a free account and earn by completing tasks. But how can you earn Rs 3000 from Ysense? First, go to the Ysense website and create an account with basic details. Creating an account is straightforward. After creating your account, log in with your email and password. You'll see the Ysense dashboard. Now, I'll explain how to earn money here. Follow this method exactly. Stick to this method. First, click on the menu and go to the Offers section. Here, you'll see various options. The main 4 types of tasks are gaming, app installation, app sign-up, and website registration. You need to complete these 4 tasks from here. Let me tell you how to complete these tasks properly. Don't use Wi-Fi while completing the tasks. Once you start a task, don't switch to another page until it's done. After completing the task, open that app or site for 1 minute. If you complete tasks this way, 5 or 6 out of 10 tasks will be done. Now you need to complete 10 tasks daily worth over Rs 20 each from the offer options. You'll get paid for 5 or 6 tasks, which will total more than Rs 100. This way, you can earn over Rs 100 daily just by completing tasks here. Now, to earn Rs 3000 monthly, use the Refer program. I'll teach you how to do it right. First, you need to understand how Ysense Refer and Earn program works. For that, open the Affiliates program. Share your referral link with others from here. When someone joins through your link and earns money, you get 30% of their earnings. In some countries, you even get Rs 8 to Rs 25 just for referrals joining. Now, to earn Rs 3000 monthly, you need to refer 5 people daily using Facebook. One of them will be someone who'll earn from this site, just like you. You need to get 5 people to join daily for 30 days, so in a month you've got 150 people to join. But out of those, 30 will be the ones who will earn money as you described. So how to earn more than Rs 100 daily? I've already explained how to earn. So in the same way, tell your referrals to earn money. Now, your 30 referrals are earning Rs 100 daily. So that's a total of Rs 3000 per day, and 30% of 3000 is Rs 900, meaning you're getting Rs 900 daily from those 30 people. That's 27,000 a month. Add your Rs 3000 task earnings to that, and you can easily earn Rs 30,000 monthly. Just use a bit of brains and hard work. Now, whatever you earn from Ysense will show here. To withdraw money from Ysense, use Skrill, Payoneer, or PayPal. You also get e-gift cards, which you can use to get some products or services. Each has a different minimum withdrawal. This is how you can easily earn money from Ysense and withdraw it.
If you want to earn money from Ysense, then click on the link in description and sign up on it.